अस्सलाम व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे, जिधर भी होंगे खुशबाश होंगे। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा जो सा टॉपिक है वो है सोनी प्रोडक्ट्स डिटेल्स। अगर आप भी हमारे इस चैनल को पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दें, साथ ही बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सकें। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। Sony is a multinational corporation that manufactures a wide range of products across different industries, including electronics, entertainment, gaming, and financial services. Here's a detailed breakdown of some of the key products categories and notable products Sony offers. First is consumer electronics. A television. Bravia series, Sony premium range of LED, OLEDs and 4K TVs known for their higher picture quality, color accuracy and innovative features such as Google TV, HDMI 2.1 and support for HDR formats, HDR10, Dolby Visions, 8K and 4K models. Sony has a significant presence in the 8K TV market with models like the Z9G series offering ultra high definition content for an immersive viewing experience. B is audio products. Headphones. Sony audio lineups includes noise cancelling headphones like the WH-1000 XM5 and WF-1000 XM5 True Wireless, which are popular for their advanced noise cancelling technology, long battery life, and exceptional sound quality. Speakers. Portable Bluetooth speakers such as the Sony SRS XB43 and high-end home audio system like the HT-A7000 soundbar now for the immersive sound compatibility with Dolby Atmos and DTS:X. Walkman. Sony Walkman NWZX507 is an updated digital music player offering high resolution audio playback and a premium audio experience for audio files. C is cameras and imagining. Alpha series mirrorless cameras. The Sony Alpha 7 series and Alpha 9 series mirrorless cameras are renowned for their high quality full frame sensor, fast autofocus, and 4K video recording capabilities. Cybershoot, compact point and shoot cameras like the RX 100 series offering high image quality in a portable design. Camcorder Sony FDR AX700 and PXW FX9 cater to both amateur and professional videographers with advanced features such as 4K recording and cinematic capabilities. Second point is gaming. PlayStation consoles. PlayStation 5, PS5. Sony latest gaming console featuring a custom SSD for faster loading times, dual scenes controller with haptic feedback, and support for 4K 120Hz gaming. It is compatible with a wide range of exclusive titles like Demon Souls and Spider-Man Miles Morales. PlayStation 4